Adsense versus Adsterra, which is the best ad network. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will compare two of the leading ad monetization platforms, which is Adsense and Adsterra. And to create an account on any of those platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Adsterra, it is an advertising network that connects advertisers with publishers to monetize traffic and promote products or services, in which it provides a platform where publishers can display various types of advertisements on their websites, blogs, or apps, and advertisers can reach their target audience through these placements. While Adsense, it is a program run by Google that allows website publishers in the Google network of content sites to serve automatic text, image, video, or interactive media advertisements targeted to site content and audience. And these advertisements are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Adsense and Adsterra. So let's start by knowing the onboarding process comparison of both platforms. And as you can see on this table, in terms of application process, Adsense submit application through Google AdSense website, while Adsterra sign up on Adsterra website and fill out the application form. And in terms of approval time, Adsense typically takes a few days to a few weeks for approval, while Adsterra approval process may take up to 72 hours. And also in terms of website requirements, Adsense website must comply with Adsense policies and guidelines, while Adsterra website must adhere to Adsterra terms and conditions. And in terms of performance monitoring, Adsense access detailed reports and analytics within the Adsense dashboard, while Adsterra monitor performance through the Adsterra reporting tools. And now moving on to targeting and optimization comparison of both platforms. In terms of targeting options, Adsense offer contextual targeting based on page content, while Adsterra provides various targeting options including geo, device, OS, browser, and many more. And in terms of optimization tools, Adsense offers automatic optimization through Google's algorithms, while Adsterra provides optimization suggestions and tips through the dashboard. Moving on to reporting and analytics, Adsense offer access to detailed performance reports and analytics within the Adsense dashboard, while Adsterra provides real-time reporting and analytics for tracking ad performance. Moving on to types of ads comparison, in terms of display ads, Adsense supports various sizes of display ads, including banners, rectangles, and skyscrapers, while Adsterra offers display banners in various sizes for desktop and mobile. Responsive ad units adapt to different screen sizes, responsive ad codes available for better user experience. And now in terms of native ads, Adsense integrates seamlessly with website content, while Adsterra provides native ad units that blend with website content and can match the look and feel of the publisher's site, and native ad formats available for both desktop and mobile. While in terms of video ads, Adsense supports in-stream video ads on website and YouTube, while Adsterra offers a video ad formats including pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll. Adsense for video available for YouTube publishers, video ad units for desktop and mobile devices. Now in terms of mobile ads, Adsense has responsive ad units for mobile devices, while Adsterra offers mobile-specific ad formats optimized for smartphones and tablets. Supports mobile interstitials and anchor ads, mobile interstitials, banners, and other formats available. Now moving on to payment and withdrawal comparison in terms of payment methods. Adsense offers multiple payment methods including direct deposit, wire transfer, and checks, while Adsterra provides various payment options such as PayPal, wire transfer, Bitcoin, Paxum, WebMoney, and many more. And direct deposit available in select countries. Payment methods may vary depending on the publisher's location. And in terms of minimum payout threshold, Adsense has minimum payout threshold varies by country and currency, while Adsterra has minimum payout threshold typically starts from $100 and threshold may range from $10 to $100 or more. And minimum payout threshold may vary from different payment methods. And aside from that, in terms of payment currency, Adsense supports payment in various currencies depending on the publisher's country, while Adsterra as payment are usually made in USD or United States dollar or euro, and currency conversion fees may apply for payments in non-USD currencies. And now in terms of withdrawal fees, Adsense does not charge withdrawal fees, while Adsterra has withdrawal fees may vary depending on the selected payment method. However, banks or payment processor may charge fees for receiving payments. Withdrawal fees may apply for certain payment methods like wire transfer or PayPal. Now moving on to its pros and cons, starting to the pros of Adsense. It has vast network of advertisers, potentially leading to higher revenue opportunities. and it has reliable payments with multiple payment methods available, with strong support system with access to Google's assistance and resources. And it has extensive ad format options including display, native, video, and many more. And it also has contextual targeting capabilities based on page content and integration with other Google services like Google Analytics for detailed insights. While the cons of using Adsense is that it has a stringent approval process with specific website requirements, and the revenue shares may vary and tend to be lower compared to some other networks. And it has limited control over ad appearance and placement optimization. And Adsense policies can be strict and violations may lead to suspension or termination. It also has limited direct support for publishers, often relying on help center resources. Now moving on to pros and cons of using Adsterra, starting to its pros. It has flexible payment options including PayPal, wire transfer, Bitcoin, and many more. And it has faster approval process compared to Adsense, with a wide range of websites accepted. And it has higher revenue potential, especially for websites with significant traffic. It also has advanced targeting options including retargeting and behavioral targeting, with wide range of ad formats available including rich media and interstitials, with dedicated account managers and responsive support system for publishers. While the cons of using Adsterra is that it has ad quality may vary, potentially affecting user experience. And also some ad formats such as pop-inders can be intrusive and may lead to user dissatisfaction, and with limited transparency regarding advertiser, network, and bidding processes. It also has minimum traffic requirements for optimal revenue generation, and possible issues with ad relevance and targeting accuracy in some cases. Now moving on to user reviews. In terms of Adsense, it has positive reviews of reliable payments, extensive ad format options, strong support from Google, integration with Google Analytics for detailed insights. While the negative reviews is that it has a stringent approval process, lower revenue shares compared to some other networks, limited control over ad appearance and placement optimization, strict policies leading to potential suspensions. While the user reviews of Adsterra is starting to its positive reviews is that it has flexible payment options including PayPal and Bitcoin, and faster approval process compared to Adsense. Higher revenue potential especially for websites with significant traffic. Advanced targeting options like retargeting and behavioral targeting. While the negative reviews of it is that it has inconsistent ad quality. Some ad formats like pop-unders can be intrusive and affect user experience. It also has limited transparency regarding advertiser, network, and bidding processes with minimum traffic requirements for optimal revenue generation. But the question is, who should choose Adsense? Well, Adsense is an ideal choice for publishers seeking reliability and a wide range of ad format options. If you prioritize consistent payment and extensive support, Adsense, with its integration with Google Analytics for detailed insights, can offer valuable tools for optimizing ad performance. Adsense is particularly suitable for publishers who value the credibility and backing of Google despite the stringent approval process and lower revenue shares. Those who prioritize user experience are willing to comply with Adsense policies can benefit from its robust platform and access to a vast network of advertisers. But what about Adsterra? Who should choose Adsterra? Well, Adsterra appeals to publishers looking for faster approval processes, flexible payment options, and potentially higher revenue streams. With advanced targeting options like retargeting and behavioral targeting, Adsterra is suitable for publishers who want to maximize their earnings through optimized ad placements. However, it's important to note that Adsterra may require a higher level of traffic to fully capitalize on its revenue potential, and publishers willing to explore various ad formats and who prioritize revenue generation over strict adherence to ad quality guidelines may find Adsterra to be a rewarding platform. And now in conclusion or in summary, when it comes to choosing between Adsense and Adsterra, the decision ultimately hinges on what each publisher requires and values. Adsense is known for its reliability range of ad formats and strong backing from Google, making it a favored option for those who value consistency and credibility. On the other side, Adsterra boasts approval processes, flexible payment methods, and the potential for higher revenue streams, attracting publishers looking to maximize earnings through advanced targeting features and diverse ad formats. So both platforms come with their set of pros and cons, prompting publishers to assess their needs before settling on choice, whether prioritizing user experience, revenue opportunities, or ease of operation. Both Adsense and Adsterra solutions for monetizing digital content. So that is just basically the comparison review between Adsense and Adsterra. Thank you.